almost lost $20,000 overnight, and I don't want you guys to make the same mistake I did. What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video, and my channel is largely based on education, right? This education is mainly academic, such as the SAT, AP test, etc. But what the school system fails to teach you, that I'm about to teach you right here, is how to make money in the real world. So to give you guys some background, YouTubers usually have two main sources of income regarding YouTube. One being Google AdSense, which is the ads you see before clicking on any video. Second is sponsorships, right? And sponsors will pay you large sums of money just to get their content on your channel. I've known YouTubers who got paid over 100K just to make a video on a product. Like, that's insane. But I myself am not that big that I'd be getting paid 100K for one video, but I do get paid anywhere from hundreds of dollars to thousands of dollars. I've had a good history of sponsorships, right? Like, a lot of sponsors like me and I do what they say, and I've never had a sponsor try to cheat me up till now. It all started with this company called Ray Project reaching out to me saying that they wanted to feature their live stream software on my channel. And they were paying, a good sum of money, and in my mind, I'm like, I'm a college student and I'm trying to pursue the bag. Now, mind you, I've never ever been cheated by a sponsorship company, nor have been contacted by a scam company. This was the first time. So this company contacts me and I go on their site and I notice right away that their site is one page. And I have a developer background, I've developed sites before, and I noticed that to make their site, all they did was get a template and just swap the text images. That's all they did. And most of the images were from Google Images. So right away, I thought something was a little off about this site. At the real bottom of the webpage, you can see that the copyright was 2020, meaning that website was made this year, which means it's very, very new. And again, this is very peculiar to me because most companies I've been reached out by, they have been established for at least 2 years. So I click download, and right away my computer blocks the software from downloading, so that there's a virus. And I'm like, oh shoot. So then I contact Ray Project saying, hey, my computer's not letting me download, there's a virus. They said they'll fix it. So again, I tried to download it and again it didn't work. They said they'll fix it again and then it still didn't work. And eventually they said just send screenshots of what's happening. So I took screenshots of what was happening, all the notices I was getting, the Windows firewall block message I was getting, and sent it to them. They said to turn off your Windows firewall because the way our program works, the Windows firewall detects it, and I assure you there's no virus. And I was probably very, very dumb when I made this decision. I said, okay. So then I turned off my firewall.
Are you serious?
And I was like, all right, let me try downloading it again. It downloaded successfully. And then I clicked on the application to actually open it and check out their software, and it was blocked. Like, I could not open it, and I realized that I actually had an antivirus program in my computer installed from a long time ago, and it blocked it. And that's when I'm like, all right, my Windows computer is trying to tell me, don't download this software. So I'm like, all right, let me just listen to it. Now I'm just kind of curious, like, yo, what's up with Ray Project? Like, what's up with their website, or are they even a real company? So I go on Google and I search up Ray Project, and right away nothing comes up. I legit can't find anything on them. So then after some digging, I find a Reddit post. It was a Reddit post of YouTubers. They're all talking about scam companies trying to reach out to them, and one of the scam companies mentioned was Ray Project. So now fast forward to a couple of days later, another company reaches out to me. And then fast forward another couple of days later, another company reaches out to me. And both of these companies were telling me to download software. And after clicking on these websites, I realized that all of these companies were made in 2020, and their entire page was just a single page that was very basic, had Google Images text copy paste from other sources within their website, and they were just trying to look real, but they're actually a scam. They actually had no legitimate software. They just want to steal your information. And I can't go into this too much, but I would have lost $20,000 with ease overnight had I downloaded their software and actually opened the application, because they would be able to seize a lot of my payment information. The moral of the story is actually do some proper research before downloading any software on your computer. And for the other YouTubers out there who are also experiencing these scam sites going to them, the best way to check is, again, see the copyright, was it made in 2020, see if their website is a single page, and last but not least, see if their website does not offer a Mac software. Macs don't get viruses, only Windows do. But that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys learned something, took something away, and again, don't be greedy, alright? Like, pursue the bag. I fully endorse pursuing the bag. You gotta pursue the bag, especially if you're a teenager, because that's how you really set yourself up for future success. But at the same time, you gotta realize that there are other people who are trying to steal your bag, okay? And you cannot let them do that. And that's my quote for 2020, okay? Do not let people steal your bag. Honestly, hope you guys learned something from this video. And if you did, like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll bring more videos on this type of money subject in the future. So, peace.